All right, we gotta be quick because it's been raining. It's just gloomy out here and it's gonna continue raining. So I have a short window to make this video. Today's a special day. You guys already read the title. Let's roll that intro. Hey guys, GoKidsHere, making more videos again. And today, guys, we have hit 50,000 subscribers on this channel. 50,000 people. That is insane. That is crazy. When I first started this channel, I didn't even think I was gonna hit 10,000 subscribers, let alone 50,000 subscribers. 50,000 people have tuned in and decided to subscribe to this channel. And I keep saying this channel because, yeah, technically I run the channel. It's my channel, sure. But you guys need to understand that this is actually our channel. When you subscribe, you are part of it. You're part of the action. You're part of the KLEANTRIX story. So I want to thank you in this video. And because of that, I want to give back. I want to give something back. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty, that Highlander is sitting pretty because there's a ton of stuff back there. Most of you guys know my OG subscribers. Back in the day, I used to give away one product and one product only to one lucky winner. But this time I wanted to go big or go home. So I want to give 2 products away to 20 lucky people. Here in my Highlander is just a few products, the options that you will have if you win. Hopefully you win. Obviously, I'm gonna pick random people. Let's open this guy and let's see some of the stuff. Look at that. Look at all of this stuff, guys. There's a lot of stuff in here. Over the years of reviewing, I've collected a lot of things that I can't fit everything in my car, but I've tested a lot of stuff, and that gives me a good opportunity to give some back. Now, obviously, this is not everything. There's still a ton more stuff inside of my house. Actually, a whole entire room full of stuff. So this is not everything. This is just, you know, just showing you a demo. But let me see right here. This is how this is gonna work, guys. So over the years of me doing YouTube, I have a ton of products on my channel, and a lot of people love a lot of the stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick 20 people from either my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or obviously YouTube. They're gonna be random from all these platforms, and if you get that lucky email from me saying that you have won, congratulations. I will let you choose 2 different products from any of my videos, ship it to you directly, have it, keep it, enjoy it as a thanks for supporting our channel. So you get to pick 2 any products, and if I don't have the product, because sometimes obviously I have it in my car, some of the products I have in my friends' vehicles. If I don't have the product, do not worry. I do not mind buying another one and sending it to you guys, so do not worry. Any 2 products from you guys. But this honestly is a big thanks for everyone who has supported this channel, guys. This is you guys, it really is unbelievable, the support I get, the comments I get all the time, the likes I get from you guys. It's just insane. So this is a thank you to give back and share some of this stuff with you guys. So like I said, easy enough. You just have to be subscribed to this channel, obviously. Hit that bell button also because you never know. Make sure you follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook just in case to get your chances higher of getting chosen. That's like 4 different entries right there. And 50,000 subscribers is a lot, guys, but let's hit that 100,000 subscribers. That's my next goal. And the giveaway, I don't know. We never know. It's gonna be even bigger. So yeah, the links to my Twitter, Facebook, and also Instagram are always going to be in the description below. You guys already know it. The links to my favorite LED bulb, all-time favorite LED bulb, the camera equipment I use, everything like that, also going to be in the description below. You guys already know it. So real quick, I just want to show you what I have here. As you can see, we have some sensors, backup cameras, more rear view cameras, LED lighting inside your vehicle. I have a couple of these bad boys right here as well. I have some car monitoring systems, bunch of dash cams. You guys already know it. And of course, a ton of LEDs, guys. Look at all of this. So yeah, whenever you get that direct message, make sure you answer it. You know, I've had people in the past who have actually won the giveaway and have not answered. So I'll give you about 2 days to answer to my message, my congratulations message. You've won. And if in this 2 days you don't, obviously I'm gonna have to give it to someone else. So make sure you're staying tuned. Make sure, like I said, hit that bell button just in case. And most likely I'll be sending out those direct messages in a month or so, just so everyone has a chance and looks at the video and it's fair. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for the video. It's a very short, quick video. Looks like it's about to start raining again. Good luck to everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure to click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep your share saying thanks for watching and peace.